What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and if you like clear cases and you like the best protection possible for your brand new Galaxy S23 Ultra, this is the Supcase UB Pro clear case. As you can see, it's got this really cool clear design so you can show off the color of your phone, and it also comes with this really nice clear belt clip as well. Now, if your phone already has a screen protector on it and you want to use that screen protector, you can with this case. And if you don't happen to have a screen protector, they do offer you an inlay that does have a built-in screen protector that does work with the fingerprint sensor. Now, this case is made of a two-piece design. It's got a plastic inlay that you do take out, put it over your phone, and then you put the whole phone with that inlay back into the case. Very nice. So if you happen to drop your phone, you don't have to worry about your phone ever falling out of this case. It does have a nice grippy feel to it, and it's made of a nice soft grippy rubber. So here is that inner piece that I was talking about. All you need to do is peel it out of the case itself. Then just take that piece and put it over the top of your phone and just press it into place just like that. And then again, take this whole thing and we're going to put it back into the case itself. Now your phone is totally protected. So that's what it looks like with the phone inside the case. If we turn it to the side, as you can see, it's got a nice raised edge on the sides and the top and the bottom. In case you happen to put your phone face down, it won't touch your screen. Again, it feels really nice in the hand. It is grippy. It's not slippery. Buttons, nice and clicky. Very easily pressable and responsive. Very nice. And if we look at these corners here, you can see that they are reinforced to give you that military grade drop protection. If we look at the sides, it's got kind of like this little serration to help with grip. On the other side here, we have our power button that is kind of textured. We also have our volume rockers. On the bottom, we have our covered charging port. We have our speaker and our little S Pen cutout, which you can very easily access. No problems there. If we look at the back, as you can see, it's got that nice frosted back to keep away the fingerprints. It also has a built-in kickstand, which is very cool, very convenient. Allows you to watch things like YouTube, Netflix, and landscape, or you can also put it in portrait mode in case you need to do some Zoom calls, or you just want the phone to face you while you're sitting at your desk. It very easily slides back down and clips into place. And for the camera cutout, as you can see, it's got a nice deep recession to protect your cameras, and I also have a tempered glass screen protector over my camera lenses that still work perfectly fine with this case. I love this frosted back. It shows off the color of your phone, and again, it doesn't show fingerprints, which is awesome. And in case you're wondering about wireless charging, you can wireless charge right through this case. And in case you guys want to see how well the fingerprint sensor works on this built-in screen protector, I will be linking the original UB Pro review in the video description so you guys can check that out. I absolutely love the Supcase UB Pro cases, not only because they provide your phone some really good protection, but they have a built-in kickstand and these buttons are so easily pressable. I absolutely love it. So what do you guys think about the UB Pro case? Have you ever used one before on your phone? Will you guys be picking one up? Let me know in the comments below. And like I said before, this case is so grippy, when you happen to put it down, you don't have to worry about it just sliding all over the place. It definitely holds in place really well. So that is it for Supcase's UB Pro case for the brand new Galaxy S23 Ultra. Again, I will be putting a link in the video description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next one. Later.